Field Marshal, no partial.
Marshal, no partial.
Yeah, man. So it has been a good day. The people of Trelawny have received us well. All labourers too.
I tell you the truth. See, I'm a typical labourite and your friend.
Yeah, man, good dude. Papa.
You know, we are changing things.
Yeah, man.
So if you want up in the grove, you have to stick with it. If you're up in the grove, in a general.
Give thanks to you, know?
Yeah, man, feel it.
So we want to pick up everybody. It has been nice, you know?
Come and feel it.
Hello, power. Power, mommy.
Power. Me not dog Freddy, me dead with the power.
And I feel a lot of energy on the ground. And you know, we don't know, we're on a journey, we don't know how long this journey will be till we finally get the chance to get the blessing of the people. So, but we have to be on our game constantly. And I just want to thank our candidates for their energy and enthusiasm and the support that they've shown today for what has turned out to be a wonderful day.